8237. Washing in the left wing of a monoplane, for purposes of rigging corrections after flight test, will have what effect on the lift and drag of that wing? A. Both drag and lift will decrease due to decreased angle of attack. B. Both drag and lift will increase due to increased angle of attack. C. The drag will decrease due to the effect of the lift increase. The correct answer is B. Washing in the left wing of a monoplane, for purposes of rigging corrections after flight test, will have the effect of increasing both the lift and drag of that wing. This is because washing in the wing increases the angle of attack, which in turn increases the lift and drag. 8238. What type of flap system increases the wing area and changes the wing camber? A. Fowler flaps. B. Slotted flaps. C. Split flaps. The correct answer is A. Fowler flaps are a type of flap system that increases the wing area and change the wing camber. When Fowler flaps are deployed, they extend both backward and downward from the trailing edge of the wing. This extension increases the wing area, effectively increasing the lift generated by the wing. In addition to increasing the wing area, Fowler flaps also change the wing camber. As the flaps extend, the curvature of the wing's upper surface increases, altering the airflow over the wing and generating more lift at lower speeds. Slotted flaps, on the other hand, create a slot between the wing and the flap, allowing high-energy air from the lower surface of the wing to flow to the upper surface. This enhances lift and delays stall at higher angles of attack. Split flaps are simple hinged panels that rotate downward from the trailing edge of the wing. While they create drag and increase the lift coefficient, they do not significantly change the wing area or camber. 8239. If the right wing of a monoplane is improperly rigged to a greater angle of incidence than designated in the manufacturer's specifications, it will cause the A. Airplane to be off balance both laterally and directionally. B. Airplane to pitch and roll about the lateral axis. C. Right wing to have both an increased lift and a decreased drag. The correct answer is A. If the right wing of a monoplane is improperly rigged to a greater angle of incidence than designated in the manufacturer's specifications, it will cause the airplane to be off balance both laterally and directionally. This is because the right wing will produce more lift than the left wing, which will cause the airplane to roll to the right. The airplane will also be off balance laterally because the right wing will be higher than the left wing, which will cause the airplane to yaw to the right. 8240. The chord of a wing is measured from A. Wingtip to wingtip. B. Wing root to the wingtip. C. Leading edge to trailing edge. The correct answer is C. The chord of a wing is a straight line that connects the leading edge to the trailing edge of the wing. It represents the width of the wing at a given point along its span. The chord is an important parameter used in aerodynamics to calculate various aspects of wing performance, such as lift, drag, and stability. 8241. When the lift of an airfoil increases, the drag will A. Decrease. B. Also increase. C. Increase while the lift is changing but will return to its original value. The correct answer is B. According to aerodynamic principles, lift and drag are closely related. As the lift on an airfoil increase, there is an associated increase in drag. This phenomenon is primarily due to the production of the lift itself. The generation of lift creates airflow patterns around the airfoil that result in varying pressure distributions. These pressure differences contribute to the production of both lift and drag forces. While there are design considerations and techniques to optimize the lift-to-drag ratio, in general, an increase in lift leads to an increase in drag. This relationship holds true for a range of angles of attack and operating conditions.